Now introducing Oleap Pilot. The open-ear headphones designed to be worn all day long. With comfort, sound quality, and long-lasting battery life with Spacial 50 dB environmental noise cancellation. Oleap Pilot delivers superior call quality and listening experience, reproducing your voice clearly without unwanted noise in all types of environments. Let's follow Naomi to the garage and join Gerald. They're working on restoring a vintage Honda bike.
Hey Gerald, it's your turn to show off the headset.
Hi guys, my name is Gerald, this is Naomi. The ambient sound here is more than 90 dB, and I bet that you will not understand that I'm now at such noisy place.
Thanks Gerald.
That noise cancellation is quite cool, isn't it? Pilot uses 2 ambient microphones to analyze and eliminate the background noise up to 50 dB, and the pickup microphone collects your voice, makes it sound clearly with natural vocal details. Blocking your ears while driving is an absolute no-no. Pilot's open design keeps you aware of the surrounding all the time, while Voice Assistant is available at your fingertips.
Now navigating to the office.
With the secure design, it comfortably fits the wearer's head during the training. Pilot does not deliver sound through cheekbones, thus bringing no vibrations nor headaches, even at maximum volume level. Each side is equipped with a 16mm dynamic driver, producing premium and bass-boosted audio. And of course, Oleap shines in a working environment, with an easy control of volume and multiple functions. Privacy is of top priority. There's a one-click mute button for the mic.
Mute on.
And the acoustic dipole algorithm around the drivers reduce the sound leakage to a minimal level. We hope you enjoy the Oleap Pilot with unprecedented call quality and listening experience. There's a lot more we'd like to say, but let's leave the rest to your own exploration in the page below. Thank you for supporting the innovation.